Paradigm Kids, I know in my heart that all of you are doing well. It is so nice to be speaking with you guys again.
Welcome to the Paradigm Kids video class.
Can you guys tell me what is in the night sky when we look up in the evening? Stars! Well done, boys and girls. Most evenings we can see the stars. Let's make some stars with our fingers. So friends, what are stars and how do they work? We can only see stars in the night time. If we look up into the sky, you will see that all the stars look the same. But don't let your eyes fool you. All these stars have important things in common, but they are different from each other. They may differ in colors. Most of the stars are white, yellow, red or blue. They may also differ in sizes. Some of the stars may be as large as a planet and other stars may be much larger than the sun. But before we look at these big stars, we must first understand what a star is. Do you know what a star is? Yes, stars are just giant balls of the hot gas in space. And deep in the center of the stars are constantly absorbing an enormous amount of energy. This energy eventually moves out of the center of the star where it's given off as heat and light. This is what gives stars their glow. Keep in mind that all stars are giant gas spheres that comes in all sizes and colors. Are you ready to learn about some of these stars? Let's start with the star that is most important to us on Earth, the Sun. That's right, the Sun is a star. This star is called a yellow dwarf. Let's say together, yellow dwarf.
Yellow dwarf.
Let's think about the Sun. We know it's really big and it's incredibly hot. The Sun is actually quite average compared to the other stars. This means that the Sun is right in the middle between the biggest and the smallest and the hottest and the coolest stars. Do you guys think that there are any stars bigger than the Sun? There are stars that are much bigger than the Sun and much warmer. Can you show me big? Big! Have a look at this big star pattern named Orion. It is one of the easiest constellations to see. That is a big word. What is a constellation, friends? A constellation is any group of stars that forms a pattern or image in the sky. Let's say together, Orion. Orion.
Orion.
Orion is one of the largest constellations in the sky. When we see this constellation from Earth, it is supposed to look like the warrior Orion as in the picture. The Orion constellation has 81 visible stars, with some of the brightest and most important stars in the night sky. The brightest star in the constellation Orion is a star called Rigel. Let's say together, Rigel. Rigel. Rigel is found in Orion's knee, as you can see in the picture. It is the brightest star and it's called a superior giant. This star is blue and is incredibly large. Rigel is twice as hot as the Sun and larger than the Sun. If you can put the Sun next to Rigel the star, our big old Sun will look like a tiny speck. Whoa, boys and girls, this star must be very big. So next time when you look up to the stars, keep in mind that the stars look the same from Earth, but now you know they are very different in sizes and in color. Each star is very special. Show it, teacher, big and small. Thank you for learning with me, Paradigm Kids. Please remember to share what you have learned with everyone around you. See you next time.